Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to active two WhatsApp account on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. So look here, this is my on WhatsApp and the another WhatsApp. Just need to log in another account. So you just easily use on phone to different two WhatsApp account. So simply at first open your settings, scroll down, click on to advanced feature, scroll down, then you get dual messenger option. Tap on, first time uninstall, just need to enable, then you get install option. Press on to install your WhatsApp. So look here, showing here two WhatsApp account and use easily two different WhatsApp account.